So I think I'll be able to advise Isaac very fast here that all right, Isaac. Are you able to hear Mwalimu? Are you able to hear Mwalimu? You guys respond kindly. Are you able to hear me? Anybody who is able to hear Mwalimu? Anybody who is able to hear Mwalimu? Loud and clear. All right, great. Thank you so much. Now, assuming, ladies and gentlemen, we have something here very special here today. I'm taking you through very special stuff. Sorry, I'm showing you what you're not supposed to be seeing, but we shall overcome. So we are looking at something very easy. Participants, no, stop recording. Then I